Hi everyone and welcome to LV HQ2. Now as of 2021 we moved into HQ2, which means we've got a brand new workshop, more space, more people than we ever have done before, meaning that we can offer a lot more than we have done before. Now if you're looking at upgrading your van, we can definitely help you transform your transporter. So we're going to touch on a few of those little things that we do later on in this video, but first let's go and have a look around. Now one of the main things that we do here is alloy wheel fitting, tyre fitting, wheel alignment, and obviously balancing those alloy wheels and tyres once they've been fitted. So it's a really big important part of what we do. It's the alloy wheels obviously change the look of the van completely from the standard wheels that come on from factory. Now as you can see, we stood just in front of our 4-poster tracking ramp, so we do full 4-wheel alignment, and that counts for any vehicle that we touch suspension wise. So it will get 4-wheel aligned. We can also offer that as a separate service if it's just something you want checking, which we do recommend doing every now and again. Obviously, if your alignment is out, the front wheels are trying to do that, you're going to scrub the tyres and obviously wear through your tyres a lot quicker than normal. So if you want your alignment checking, you want alloy wheels fitting, you want tyres fitting, or you want wheels balancing, this is the place to have it done. Now next up is the suspension fitting that we do here at Leighton Vans. Now this particular van had Cobra 40mm lowering springs fitted. We do offer Bilstein coilovers as well, the normal B14s or the B14 comfort coilovers. Or if you've got a kit that you would like us to fit, by all means we can do that as well. Now as I mentioned, every vehicle that we touch the suspension on gets sent onto the tracking ramp and has full 4-wheel alignment included in the price of that. Now another purpose of these ramps that we've got in LV HQ2 is for the fitting of things like grills, front bumpers, roof bars, side bars, all that kind of thing. Now we have got various options of side bars, roof bars, grills, etc., which obviously you can purchase and have fitted here at LV HQ2. So we're up at the top end of LV HQ2 now, where we do a lot of the interior work for the vans. So as you can see, we've got full leather retrim going off there, and we've got these benches further down where we retrim all the CNC cut panels ready for the backs of the vans when we do the interior lining. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of work that goes into this, and we've got various different designs of leather which make the van look a lot more executive on the inside, and these suede cut panels, once they're on and they're over the carpet and the insulation, make a massive difference to the inside of the van. So following on from the top end of LV HQ2, where all the panels were getting done and the leather was getting done ready to go into the van once the interior lining was done, this is a van that we've got in one of the bays at the minute that has got all the interior lining done. So we've got these suede panels which will have been retrimmed up there. We're just waiting for the seats to go back in, but I mean, how much better does that look compared to a standard van? So we've got insulation behind there. We've got then the carpet, one sheet of carpet down one side, one sheet of carpet down the other, so there's only one join in it. We're not a fan of multiple joins everywhere all over the carpet. Then we've got the retrimmed suede panels just there, and we also add touch LED lights and some USBs into the B pillars for your rear passengers. So yeah, this just makes a massive difference in terms of noise in the van, and just feel and how much better it looks over a standard bare metal Combi van. So as we're down the conversion side of the workshop, we'll just show you a panel van that we're actually turning into a Combi right now. So we will cut the windows out, we will fit genuine VW seats, genuine VW seat belts. We've got a couple of options on floor, so we've got the proper rubber Combi floor, or we can fit an Altro floor. We can fit rear windows, quarter windows, side windows, and they are all genuine VW windows that we fit. So if you've got a panel van and you're thinking about turning it into a Combi for more passengers, or to go away in, or you want to put windows in a camper, anything like that, we can certainly sort that. So another really cool addition to the vans that we do here on the conversion side of the workshop is the LV sound pack. As you can see, we've got sub amp fitted there. We've got upgraded front door speakers, upgraded tweeters, and we also put rear speakers up in each corner of the tailgate and some nice carpeted pods. Now this makes a massive difference to the standard sound system on a transporter. They're not the best when they come out of the factory, but having all this and sound deadening the door cards like we do makes a huge difference and turns it from being a commercial vehicle more into a luxury passenger vehicle. So moving on to the cab area of the van, an absolutely awesome upgrade that we do here is the supply, fit and code of the VW Virtual Dash. Now, it's standard across most VW car models. It also comes in the Caravelle, the Sportline and the California. However, it doesn't come in the Transporter or panel van or Combi van, which is a real shame. Now, we offer that as an upgrade here. You obviously get your nice virtual clocks with the nav enabled in between those. You also get the nice gloss black trim around the dash, which follows right around the sat-nav unit and back round. Something that works really, really well with the Virtual Dash is one of our carbon fibre steering wheel upgrades. We've got those in multiple stitch colours, and all these upgrades, they just turn the inside of the van away from a commercial vehicle and to more like a premium vehicle. So we've offered Pendle performance remaps for a long time here at Leighton Vans. However, a new string to the bow is our awesome new dyno cell. Now, we've got a Maha two-wheel drive dyno in here. We've put all the Leighton Vans artwork on the wall, the cool lights. So this is just another thing that we can be doing. We can do dyno runs on vans that have already been remapped. We can put a van on the dyno and do a remap while we've got the van running up here. Now, we can do four-wheel drives as well. It's not just two-wheel drives that we can do, and we can also look at other vehicles rather than the Transporter. We are a Transporter specialist, but we can look at other vehicles. So if you want to know whether we can do your vehicle, just drop us a line and we'll confirm that with you for definite. So one of the things that we talk about here at Leighton Vans is partner upgrades. Now, we've got numerous companies that we work with and supply their products, as they're a fantastic addition to any Transporter. Now, one of those products is van shades, which are a thermal blackout blind for the inside of the T6. Now, we can do every window combination, twin slider, single slider, rear quarter windows, tailgate, everything like that. They come in numerous different colours. We stock one colour, but that doesn't mean we can't get another colour for you. They come carpeted with a carpet match to the interior lining package that we offer here, so we can match it all together. And yeah, they keep the heat in the van and keep the light out of the van, and they are a really, really cool, good quality product for the inside of your Transporter. So another upgrade that we do here at Leighton Vans is the slide pod. Now, we've been doing slide pods for a good few years now. However, this is the brand new V2 version, which some very nice subtle changes which make it predominantly a lot easier for fitting in the back of the van. As we can see, we've got this nice colourway on this one with the sort of wood effect top. Now, in these you've got hob, sink, water tank. We have them fully specced out, so we've got foot shower electrics, you've got storage under there, that's your little foot shower for washing your boots, washing the dog, either or. You've obviously got this nice little clip-on table onto the bottom which matches the slide pod, along with, obviously probably one of the main parts, is the bed frame that comes with it. Now, this is a full width bed with this mattress on top. Now, the frame folds back over onto itself, giving you obviously giving you access to put the rear seats up. We've also got in there the swan neck table, which fits to the B pillar. Now, that works for, say, whether you're either in bed or sat eating in the van. You've obviously got that table there to rest stuff on. So really, really cool option. We stock these at Leighton Vans. We've always got stock of them, so they are available direct from us, and we can supply only, or we can supply and fit, no problem. So we're down at our detailing area now. Now, here, every single vehicle that we sell gets a full interior and exterior detail, and we also offer that as a service for yourselves to bring your vehicles down to us, and we will get it looking like brand new again. Now, this does include a maintenance wash, decontamination, clay bar, polish. We'll do the inside, we'll dress all the trims, and we spend a lot of time doing the detailing. And as you can see, they come out looking like brand new. Now, the benefit for this to a customer is it will protect the paint. It obviously looks a lot better than having a dirty van, and the wax that we put on, it will aid in washing it, and like I say, just protect that paintwork from as many scratches as possible. So here at Leighton Vans, we offer various different styling options for the VW Transporter. Now, two of those options for the T6.1 are just over my shoulders here. We've got the LVR and we've got the LVS. Now, the LVS is a simple bond-on splitter for the front bumper of a van. Looks really, really smart. And then we've got the LVR, which is a full bumper replacement. And also with the LVR, there is the option of having a full rear bumper replacement as well. Now, that rear bumper will work with the LVR front and the LVS splitter, as it shares some design characteristics with both. And the LVR rear will also work on a T6 rear bumper as well as a T6.1. So that concludes a quick walk around and a bit of a tour of LV HQ2. Now, we know it can be tough deciding what's best to upgrade to go forward with your van, you know, what will work, what won't work. Now, our team will be on hand to answer any questions you've got. So get in touch either via our social media, give us a call on 01142 838484 or drop an email to service@leightonvans.co.uk and we will help you as much as we can.